Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to continue with the test for protein. Take a small quantity of food items that you're testing and remember that if it is a solid food item then you need to make a powder or a paste of it. For example, I have taken flax. What is flax? I'll see. I have taken flax, so I need to first mash it. मेरे को उसे पीसना होगा. Then I will take the test tubes or the drops of water for testing. Now put some of this clean test tube and 10 drops of water. Take a test tube and then put 10 drops of water in it. Okay, now shake it very well. Now using a dropper, add 2 drops of solutions of copper sulfate. Now using a dropper, you need to put 2 drops of copper sulfate and 10 drops of solution of caustic soda to the test tube. Now shake it very nicely and then after few minutes leave it alone, and then what you will see, did the contents of the test tube turn to violet? The violet color in presence of proteins in the food item. अगर जो हमने पीस के जो हमने टेस्ट किया है उसको हमने जब फ्यू मिनट्स के लिए छोड़ दिया था, अगर वो वॉयलेट कलर में चेंज हो गया है, सो इट इज़ नोन नाउ द फूड इज़ हैविंग प्रोटीन इन इट. नाउ यू कैन रिपीट दिस टेस्ट ऑन अदर फूड आइटम्स एज वेल. नाउ we will see this table 2.2. Food item. Starch present here. Uncooked powder of rice, groundnut, cooked rice, dry coconut, uncooked cooked dal, a slice of any vegetable, a slice of any fruit, boiled egg white portion. Now let us see it. Raw potato has starch in it, yes. Protein no, fat no. Milk is not having any starch, even not the fat. It is having milk. Groundnut is not having starch as well as not protein. It is having fat. Now rest of the things you can do it on your own. In these boxes you can just type your examples. Now we will see the test of fats. Take a small quantity of a food item, wrap it in a piece of paper. For example, I have taken any namkeen and I have crushed it in a paper. If the oily surface come onto the oily patch, hold the paper against the light. You are sure about that it contains fat. The food items may sometimes contain a little water. Therefore, after you rub it on the paper, let the paper dry for a while. If there were any water that may have come from food, it would dry up after some time. If no oily patch shows after this, so the food item is not containing any of the fat. What do these tests show? Are fats, proteins and starch present in all the food items that you tested? Does a food item contain more than one nutrient? Just write me in the comment section about all these questions. Do you find any food item that does not contain any of the nutrients? This is a really interesting questions part. This part is my favorite. So I need all the answers in the comment section. We tested food items for 3 nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins and fats. There are also other nutrients like vitamins and minerals that are present in different food items. Why do we need all these nutrients? हमें क्यों चाहिए होता है? Carbohydrates. Wow, carbohydrates is providing energy to us, and fats provide more energy than carbohydrates. As compared in the same amount of carbohydrates, food containing fats and carbohydrates are also known as energy giving food. What it is known as? Energy giving food. Now some of the examples are rice, potato, starch and many things. Proteins are needed for the growth and repair of our body. Now this is what the protein meant. जो हमारे फूड होते हैं वो कौन कौन से होते हैं? स्वीट पोटैटो, शुगर केन, पपाया, वीट, राइस, बाजरा, मेज, मैंगो, मेलन and etc. These are some sources of carbohydrates. Now some sources of fat, a plant source and animal source. What it is telling us? Some sources of fat. In chapter 1 I have already told you that there are two sources of food. Animals and plants. So this is from plants and this is from animals. Fats provided us. Now this is what? Sources of protein from? This is from plants and this is from animals. We will read it just now. The examples of protein is gram, moong, tur dal, beans, peas, soya bean. The main source of protein is soya bean. And in the animals part, meat, milk, fish, paneer, eggs and many things. So rest of the chapter we will see in our part 3. Bye guys.